Now what will we do? Let's do something. So it asks number to us. Enter the number. Shall we do that? It should not generate number or itself. It should ask us, please enter number, and then it will do the addition. Shall we do that? Yeah? Great. Nice. Let's do that. So instead of this random number now, we can use prompt. We can use this prompt. Prompt means ask. Ask. Okay? So in number 1 now, we'll ask for prompt for number with message. Please enter number 1. Okay? See, can you all read this? Please enter number 1. Done? And now we'll do same for number 2 as well. Let's delete this. Prompt for number with message. Please enter number 2. Okay? And now let's run this. No other change, just 2 changes. Prompt for. There is a command called prompt for in text. Okay, text section. Prompt for. Run. Can you read this? Please enter number 1. So I'll enter 10. And then press OK. Please enter number 2. Please enter number 2. I will enter 20. Okay. 10 plus 20 is 30. So here answer is 30.